Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Annalyn Bron Villesa from Karuiruyan, Pili, Camarines Sur, and Bicol, here in the Philippines. I am married and I have 4 kids, ages 19, 14, 10, and 2. I am high school graduate.
In case you're working in Hong Kong, who will take care of your kids?
My mother and my husband will take care in my children.
Do you know how to take care of kids?
Yes, I know how to take care of kids.
Can you tell us how?
Giving them nutritious food and assist them in their assignment.
Please give a sample of nursery song.
Every day wake up, everybody wake up. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Yummy, 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 yummy cupcakes, yummy, yummy cupcakes. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
To give a better future and my family.
Any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me. I am hardworking, trustworthy, and responsibility to all my duties. Thank you and God bless.